Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines. I'm going to show you one of my quick and easy desserts today, bananas Foster. All you need for this is bananas, a little rum, some brown sugar, and I love to serve this over ice cream. It's quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, this goes really quick, so it's important that you have everything ready. I'm going to peel my bananas and cut them into small pieces. And I want to make sure that I have my pan preheating. So while I'm doing this, I have the pan on the stove. The pan is empty and it's dry, there's nothing in it. And I've got it on medium heat so that I get nice temperature in the pan before I start doing this. Okay, so here we go. Peel my bananas, and then I just like to stack them and cut. If you're making this at home for your guests, remember it's about 1 banana per person. So if you got 5 people, you're gonna need 5 bananas. Okay, my pan is good and hot. Let's get moving here. All right, like I said, this goes quickly. So, got my butter on medium to high heat. I've got about a 1/4 stick of butter in there. I'm gonna wait till that's almost completely melted. Okay, it's almost completely melted. Now it's time for my bananas. Add my chopped up bananas. Give that a few flips to combine everything. Now it's time for my sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you like. You can use agave, even honey. Couple flips there. I've got my vanilla. Just a little bit, don't overdo it there. Couple drops. Lovely. Now I'm ready for my rum. Give it plenty of rum. And if you want, you can give it the old flame. Make sure when you do that, you're ready to move the pan so that you don't burn anything over your counter. Okay, I'm going to take my bananas Foster, pour it right over my ice cream. This dessert is simple, easy to make, and wonderful in both the summer and the winter. Oh, I can't wait to enjoy. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Fine Lines.